Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how to do simple crochet braids, and then I'll also be showing you guys how I will use Freedomstyles magic hair growth oil to detangle her natural hair. If you don't know, I am selling Freedomstyles magic hair growth oil. It's because you are not following me on my second YouTube channel, Freedom Beauty. That is why you don't know. If you don't know now, I want you to know that I am selling Freedomstyles magic hair growth oil. I will put the details in the description box below. What I did, I put a little bit of the oil inside water and I will just spray in the water on her hair. I will try to section a little bit and then spray in the water.
Baby, where you been at? You been gone away for some time, but you know I only ride with you. So come talk to me. You ain't never changing, but baby, that's okay. 'Cause I'd rather be wrong than...
You can see how the hair is well detangled. Make sure I finger comb before using a comb. You can see how the hair is shiny, well moisturized, and then well protected before doing cornrows. I will put details in the description box below for you to order my oil, and I will also make sure to put the link to my second YouTube channel, Freedom Beauty, so that you will also check out the oil on my second YouTube channel. If you don't know, I want you to know that I have 3 YouTube channels. This very one, Freedomstyles, Freedom Beauty, and the Freedom's Life. And then please don't forget to check out the other 2 YouTube channels out. And then follow me on my Instagram, Freedomstyles 2, and also my Snapchat, Agnes13. And I just want you guys to stay tuned and watch this video.
Right without you, I hear my heart saying, even when we can't see all the perfect things about you and me, girl, we smile and make the pain go away. They say we won't stay, but we stay. Hey, somebody tell the world they can't hold us, 'cause don't you know we'll always be lovers. People come, people go, but baby, we'll always be here. I don't wanna make the whole world hate us, but what we got makes the world jealous. People come, people go, but baby, we'll always be lovers. Baby, I can see that we can't walk away. Goodbye is a true lie told between us, so don't talk to me. Loving you is draining, but baby, that's okay. 'Cause I'd rather be tired than strong without you. I hear your heart saying, even when we can't see all the perfect things about you and me, girl, we smile and make the pain go away. They say we won't stay, but we stay. Hey, somebody tell the world they can't hold us, 'cause don't you know we'll always be gonna be lovers. People come, people go, but baby, we'll always be here. I don't wanna make the whole world hate us, but what we got makes the world jealous. People come, people go, but baby, we'll always be lovers. Somebody tell the world they can't hold us, 'cause don't you know some time, and I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's one in a million, she helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive, and I'd go to the sun.
I used 3 packs of soft dread. This hair is really very nice, and if you are looking for coils that will last longer, I would advise you to try out soft dread. I love this hair. I love the bounciness, and I will make sure I put details for you guys to order the oil in the description box below. Don't forget to check out my other 2 YouTube channels, Freedom Beauty and the Freedom's Life. Also follow me on my Instagram, Freedomstyles 2, and then on my Snapchat, Agnes13. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed filming it, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.